This was my face just a couple days ago. As you can see, I've been struggling, needed more than a spot treatment. I saw a TikTok about these Band-Aids. They're Hydroseal and you're just supposed to leave them on overnight. So I cut mine in half and put them on my forehead like this. You can see how much they worked just in the one night. I did this for 2 nights and look at my skin. Go get some.
This is black soap. Black soap originated from the western part of Africa. Its dark color comes from plantain skin, palm tree leaves, cocoa pods that has been burnt to ash in the process of making the soap. Black soap is said to be able to help soothe dermatitis and even psoriasis. And for me personally, it's the cure to my body acne.
Hi, my name's Priya and I used to have really bad acne, so I eventually turned to natural skincare. One natural face mask I use is I get cooked rice, honey, turmeric, and then I blend it up in my blender. Then I apply it to my face and I leave it on for about 10 minutes. And of course I sneak someone to Sid's face. This mask is so cheap and easy and I use it once a week.
So if your upper lip is dark, this is one hack to do. Add some turmeric into a bowl, then honey, then some lemon. Mix it, apply it, wait 10 minutes, and that's it.
Okay, this is the most impromptu TikTok ever. However, you need to see this. Okay, so this is me, but you see I have these pores right here that were always kind of like little black dots. I just thought, oh, I'm brown, I'm hairy, I guess it's hair, but it's not. I saw a video from an esthetician on YouTube and she talked about oil cleansing for 15 to 20 minutes and you'll get out little oil plugs. And I was looking at her like, what are you talking about? So she recommended oil cleansing for 15 to 20 to 30 minutes, like very long time, and they'll come out. And I thought, no way in hell is that gonna work on me. Well, look at this. This isn't even all of it. That's crazy, man. I never thought I could get these out. I was in such a rush to tell you, I still got the oil on my face and I'm still gonna get more of these out. I'm gonna end y'all with this video because that is still amazing to me. Oh my god.
Here is my favorite do-it-yourself recipe for a coffee body scrub. Coffee is the #1 best thing to exfoliate your body with because it's full of antioxidants and the caffeine will help to promote microcirculation. So I mix 3/4 of a cup of coffee with 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, a little vanilla extract just for a little nice scent. Then I'm adding avocado oil, but you can use coconut or olive depending on what you have. Mix it together, throw it into a jar, bring it up to your shower, and you have an amazing body scrub that probably costs $3 to $5 instead of $25 like most body scrubs that you can use for a few weeks.
Okay, so do not throw out your banana peel after you're done eating your bananas, because it has so many benefits for your face. It might look funny and it might sound funny, but trust me, it works. I'm going to show you one thing that you can do. So this part of the banana has so many benefits, especially for your face. Let's say if you have some wrinkles you're trying to get rid of, or if you're just young and trying to prevent any wrinkles like me. So what I like to do is, let's say on my forehead, especially right here where I have any concerns, I rub the banana peel just all over my forehead, right? You want to rub it in very good. And what you want to do is you want to leave this on for 20 minutes. Do this 3 to 4 times a week, or just every time after you eat a banana, and just rub it on any places where you have some wrinkles, and then you want to leave it on for 20 minutes and just rinse it off. So I'm gonna take this off soon. So I hope that you try this, and let me know in the comments below what other hacks you want to see for your skin. I got you, girl.
Here's the coolest trick I've ever learned from Dr. Dennis Gross on how to know which ingredient to use under your eyes to help with dark circles. What you're going to do is going to look a little freaky. Slightly pull the under eyes up a little bit to see if the darkness disappears or not. If it does, that means your skin is thin and the purple veins are showing through, so you want something to help with building collagen like vitamin C. If the color stays, that means your skin is discolored and you want an ingredient like retinol to help resurface and brighten the skin.
If you have acne on your chin area, it could be hormonal problems that you are having. Especially if you're a preteen and you're going through hormonal changes, a lot of men get acne around their chin area, and a lot of women get some acne around their lips. Also, around this area, I would say it could be like when they're getting their period soon. That happens around this area also. It can also be some stress that is causing you acne in that area. It can also be kidney imbalance. So if you're having some issues in that area and you seem like it's not getting any better, make sure you go to a dermatologist and get it checked out.